Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Friends, my name is Anupa Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, anushree channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss on a topic that is very particular, very important, misconceptions about learning English language. Actually, I have heard many times about those misconceptions, and there are so many people, there are so many English learners, they are suffering with that kind of misconceptions. So friends, in today's video, everything will be cleared. Okay, we will get to know what are the misconceptions and why we are suffering with it and how can we solve it. So friends, before knowing about misconceptions, we need to understand that what is the meaning of misconception. Let me tell you, misconception is something that is not true. It's a wrong belief, it's a wrong idea. Okay, it's not true, and we are suffering with this kind of misconception, and we have kept in our mind, and because of which we are not able to achieve our target, we are not able to accomplish our goal. So in today's video, we are going to learn about those misconceptions. Friends, actually everybody has a different kind of ability. Some people learns something very quickly, but on the other hand, few of them learn anything very slowly. So we can't say that if there are 40 students in a class and a teacher is teaching something, so all the students will catch at a time. It is not possible. Some of the students catch the things very fast, but some other students are very slow. They get the things but slowly, gradually. In the same way, we have different kinds of misconceptions in our mind. So let's learn about those misconceptions. Friends, the first one is that I am a villager and I can't speak English. Actually, before creating this video, I just talked to a boy who was from village, and when I asked him that which type of problem you are suffering while learning English language, so he told me that he is from a very village area, and there is no one with whom he could talk in English language, and this is the problem he is suffering with. So I told him that it does not matter, you are a villager, you are living in a village and you have no environment, you can definitely learn this language, you can definitely speak English language. What things you need to do is that you have to just focused towards your goal. If you are dedicated, if you are devoted, so nobody will stop you to learn this language. It is you who can stop you to learn this language. If you are not consistent, if you are practicing of speaking English language 3 hours one day, and next day if you are practicing no hour, no minutes, no second, so there is no use of practicing 1 hour in one day. You have to do practice per day. By doing regular practice, you can achieve your goal. So this is the funda everybody applies. This is the method everybody applies, and that's how everybody learns this language. So definitely you can also speak this language, you can also learn this language. So this is the first misconception, that I am a villager, I can't speak this language. And the second one is that I am a homemaker, I can't speak English language. Friends, I'm telling you, being a homemaker, I'm also speaking this language, I'm also learning this language. I know that what is the benefit of learning this language. If I'm learning this language, it does not mean that I am going to earn money. Actually, there are so many people, they speak that if you are learning this language, so if you want to earn money, so it's okay, you are learning this language. But if you have no passion, you don't wish to earn money, so what is the use of learning this language? So friends, here I just want to say that there is a very well said, is that a mother is a teacher at a home and a teacher is a mother at a school. So it's a very well said. And friends, I'm giving you my own experience that there are so many questions. There are so many questions in English, as you all know that all the subjects are in English language. So from my point of view, if a homemaker is educated, if she knows English very well, so definitely she can help their kids in their study. It's very simple. It's very simple. There is no need to say like, why are you learning this language? You are a homemaker. You have to only cook the food. You have only wash the clothes. You have to only do home chores. There is no need to learn this language. Why are you learning this language? So I think this question, there is no sense to ask this question. So for as I have considered that every homemaker, each and every homemaker should learn this language. And nobody will deny, everybody will accept that if a homemaker is educated, if a homemaker knows English very well, if she is aware towards this language, so definitely she can do a lot of things related to English. There is online shoppings. There are so many works she can do. So and how can a homemaker learn this language? A homemaker also can learn this language very easily. There is no misconception regarding like a homemaker can't speak English language. I'm speaking this language. And friends, there is also misconception that I'm from Hindi medium school and I'm not from CBSE board. So how can I speak English language? Friends, I'm telling you, it's true that English, we read English just like a subject. But nobody speaks in English language at school, in college. And even the teacher, regarding English subject, they only speak in English language. That's why, this is the reason, friends, we don't get environment to speak English language. But yes, one thing I would say that it is not, it is also misconception like I'm from Hindi medium, I'm not from CBSE board, so I'm unable to speak English language. Each and everyone can speak English language. Actually, we all read grammar, we all have grammar knowledge, so we have to just utilize those things, and after that we would be able to speak English language. And friends, if I talk about money, so it's also a problem like money. I have not enough money. I have financial crisis. That's how I didn't learn English language. So there are so many courses available here on a very, you have to pay very minimum amount of money, and you can learn this language. So guys, there are so many misconceptions. I just uttered here few of them. And guys, here I just want to speak only one thing, is that each and everyone who is willing to speak English language can speak. We have to keep patience, because without having patience we can't learn this language. Patience is very compulsory, friends. If we are thinking that today we have started learning English language and after few weeks, after 1 month, after 2 months, we are going to speak very fluently, so it will never happen. It depends upon you how much hours you are actually devoting towards English language, towards your speaking practice. If you are very consistent, if you are paying your 100%, so nobody will stop you to speak this language. Definitely you can speak this language. So there is no misconception. Each and everybody can speak this language. We have to be very focused, and we have to be determined, step by step, day by day, and percentage by percentage. We can speak this language very soon, and one day will be ours. So friends, let's meet in the next video. I hope this video is going to help you a lot, and please, if you liked my idea, so please like my video and share my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.